Hey guys, if you're looking for the alternative to EndNote, in this video I'm going to share with you the alternatives. So the first one that you can check out is Zotero. So Zotero is the best free alternative. So you have unlimited references and up to 300 megabytes of attachments. So this is the one that you can actually check out, and it's kind of interesting. Attachments can include PDFs. You can use a browser extension to quickly add web pages. You can share libraries with other users. And this is the first one. You need a desktop application to unlock all of the Zotero features. It's not as effective on mobile or web only setup. And you can start with the 300 megabyte of free cloud storage. For more extensive libraries, you can upgrade it. Now another one is very popular one, and that's called Mendeley. So the Mendeley is best for PDF management. You have 2 gigabytes of free cloud storage. Attach PDF documents to your reference and annotate them in your library. Use a browser extensions to quickly add web pages and documents to your library. Create bibliographies in MS Word or LibreOffice using the Mendeley plugin. So primarily these ones are all you can check out. And also another one is Jabref. So Jabref is excellent, free and open source. This is another one. You can import for over 15 reference formats. It lets you collect references, retrieve and link full text articles, and import references directly from the web browser using the Jabref browser extension. The limitations is Jabref's main intention is to be used to generate a library in the BIP format. You cannot make an account, which means that the files are saved locally and cannot be accessed, and no built-in PDF viewer. So then also Quika, this is another one that you can check out. So Quika is also interesting one. So with the Quika, what you're gonna actually get here, it's a free research and reference manager. Search, read and annotate your PDFs, then review your work, write up and create bibliographies instantly. So we got many features that Zotero does not have. Also, but the interface is completely different from EndNote and Zotero. So check these out. Thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.